Welcome back everyone. How was the holiday season? So today I want to show you guys how to achieve this wavy gradient background in Canva. Sometimes you might be looking for something like this and you won't find it from the library, but you can create your own on Canva. So if you're interested to make this kind of thing, a wavy pattern, gradient colors as a background, keep watching. So if you have not used the Canva app before, you have to click on the three lines at the top left. So when you click on it, you are taken to this place. Then you have to click on apps, and then you click on design essentials. When you click on design essentials, it basically takes you to a list of all the apps, or most of the apps that you can find in Canva. So you scroll down until you find the Canva, which is the app that we are looking for. So you scroll down until we find it. So that is it right there, Canva. So you click on it and it is automatically added to your menu bar. But as for me, I've used it before, so it's already on my menu bar. So I'm going to go right ahead and show you how to use it and customize it. So I'll just scroll on my menu bar at the bottom and select Canva, since I have already used it in the past. So when it is selected, I'll be taken to this page where I can edit the wave. So you have the option to have solid wave, gradient wave. You can see when I click on it, it becomes two colors, or line wave. It all depends on you. And you also have the option to make your wave curved or pointed. And then you can also reduce the number of waves. On the right hand, when you click minus, you can see the number of waves reduces, but when you click plus, it increases. So that's the option for you to edit your wave whichever way you want. So I think I will just go for the gradient wave, the one with two different colors at both ends. So when you are satisfied, you click on add to design, so it will be added automatically to your canvas. Then you can go ahead and begin to edit it. So I'm going to drag it to fill up the page. It depends on the size of canvas you are using, but I'm just using this for this demonstration. Then you place it where you want it to be on your design. Then at the bottom of the menu bar, you can see all the options you have to edit your wave. You click on the three dots and you can see the option of colors. So since I'm using gradient, you can see two color buttons. So I'm going to change the one on the left and then the one on the right. I think I'm okay with this color that I have. You can go ahead now and add other elements to your design, but this is basically how to generate the waves and edit them. I hope you have learned something from here. Thank you for watching. Like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.